For more than 100 years, 4-H has been shaping the lives of youth across Louisiana. With agricultural roots, 4-H focused on activities common in rural areas. Today, 4-H has many more programs available, including those that take a more modern approach.
We have over 6 million youth that participate in 4-H on a national level and over 90,000 here in Louisiana. It gives us an opportunity to showcase our project areas, our programs, and the diversity we offer for our kids in Louisiana.
One area of focus is outdoor activities. Shooting sports is one of the largest programs and has captured the national competition 3 of the past 4 years. ATV safety is another outdoor component, along with a wetlands ecology program called Marsh Maneuvers.
We want to go where the kids are. We can't stick in the past or get stuck in the past. We need to move toward the future and look at things that kids want to do on a daily basis and what affects their lives.
Technology plays a role in today's modern 4-H. Drones and underwater robotics teach important skills that prepare youth for careers.
So our drone program is awesome because it lets kids develop coding skills and fly drones manually, whereas our Sea Perch program allows youth to solder and engineer their drones to perform tasks underwater.
A cornerstone of 4-H is health and nutrition. Youth engaged in events like the 4-H Food Challenge learn important nutritional information and lifelong skills related to food preparation.
Even if they don't become professional chefs, everybody has to eat. And so to some extent, every day of being an adult is a food challenge. They learn how to cook and provide for themselves and their families.
While 4-H maintains many successful traditional programs, it is making room for new programs with new applications. With the LSU AgCenter, this is Craig Gautreaux reporting.